Good morning, guys. Oh, my voice sounds so weird. Hi, how are you guys doing? Clearly, I just woke up. As you can see, I don't even know if you can hear me. Hold on. We getting too comfortable. Let us start our day. A proper good morning to you guys now. Oh, that is bright. That is very bright. It is a new day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Amen. I've not been feeling 100% lately. I mean, it happens. It's something that definitely totally happens and it's out of our control. Sometimes our mind just derails and goes on a whole rampage of not being fine. And like, I can't put my finger out around it. Nothing is directly going wrong, but I just don't feel 100% great. I'm looking at my phone because I'm trying to make a peanut butter and banana smoothie this morning. I'm trying to check if I have all the ingredients. All they're talking about, oh yeah, my little rampage. Like, it's just not been great, guys. It's just not been great. And I have exams this week as well. So we also need to start studying for those. I find that whenever I'm in this particular state, staying alone is not the best idea. So I've been hanging out with friends more lately just so that I don't overthink myself into a state of depression. Not like diagnosed depression that I call depression, but I'm just sad, just sad. And like, I'll be sad because I'm making myself sad because I'm thinking about those things myself. I don't have to, I don't need to, but it just gets there, you know. That's the update. That is what's happening. Anywho, cheers. We have a box to unbox. This is the final piece to, complete this area. And then we can finally do the full room tour. Like, I've been waiting on this. And I think I've been waiting on it because I didn't really know. I wasn't sure what I wanted. So now I'm pretty much sure because, I mean, I've already bought it. Okay. So let me get trusty scissors and let's open up my package. I'm gonna finish setting that up, putting the batteries in and like connecting it to my laptop. I just wanted you guys to get the little ASMR version of it. Okay, hi. In all honesty, we do actually have somewhere to be today. We have a brunch date to go to today. We're going to this color cafe with a friend that I met via YouTube. She was one of my subscribers. I hope she still is one of my subscribers. But yeah, then she reached out to me via Instagram, and then we hit it off. So now we hanging out and all that. I do love meeting you guys, like not realizing, but just sort of knowing that there are people. Hold on, my brother's calling me. Hello. I'm gonna go really light with like my foundation and everything. Like I just want to accentuate my face without actually looking like I have a lot of makeup on, you know? I'm trying to be more presentable nowadays, guys. You guys have been getting the very comfortable version of me, and I'm trying to change. Oh, I am glowing. My skin is skinning. So I'm trying to change that right now and be more presentable on these just normal little occasions and stuff. And yeah, so that's what we're doing or trying to do today. I'm definitely gonna be late, guys. One down, one to go. That is more than I intended. My battery is about to die, and like I haven't even left my room yet. So I don't know. I don't know what it's planning or what its intentions are, really. I don't. Lipstick or no lipstick? I think, I don't know. Ooh, I put under eyeliner without crying? What? Who am I? Ooh, there they are. There are the tears. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No. Come on. No, y'all, makeup. Makeup is not for everyone, eh? Okay, okay. I actually like it just like that. Okay, I know you guys can't see it, but I like it as it is. Now, will I be able to do the same on the other side? Let's find out. Let's talk lips. I feel like I want lipstick. Do I want lip, guys? You know what? Let's do lipstick. Let's do lipstick. Do we do brow? No. Maybe just gloss. I feel like I just want to do gloss instead. Or like brown lipstick. I think I'm gonna go for brown lipstick. Subtle. Not so subtle. I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't know how I feel about it. My battery's dead, so bye, guys. This is our fit.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started.
Hey guys, so we made it. This is my date. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, we're really late, but I'm gonna be painting this, and Babe is gonna be painting that cute little heart.
making my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road.
Thank you.
Now, girls want to know if you have a YouTube channel or you just vlog.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you vlogs at different days or?
Yeah, just lifestyle vlogs, university vlogs.
And what's your channel called?
Mars Milanzi.
Morris Melanti.
Yes.
Oh wow.
That's so nice.
You're about to gain followers.
My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh, baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around, you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, meet my mama and my friends.